Hey guys, Adam Conner here with Motorsport Masters. We're out here at Rampart Range in Colorado today. We're gonna do a little bit of comparison between brand new 2026 Sherco 300 SE and my race bike. Originally, it was a 250 SE. We did a 300cc conversion kit on it. So it's currently a 23 300 SE. Now this is a purpose-built hard enduro bike. I've got everything on there to make this bike excel in hard enduro situations. We've got a super soft mousse in the back. We've got a ton of protection parts. I've got the Smart Carb SC3, the T-Rex throttle, suspension set up for slow hard enduro riding. So it's gonna be pretty soft for what we're doing today. But this bike, out of the box, it's got a couple of protection parts. It's got the T-Rex throttle and the Smart Carb SC3, which are a couple things that are gonna make this bike excel everywhere. I'm really excited to test out some of the differences between the two. All right, so we're gonna start the day on my bike, 23 Sherco SE300. I've got a lot of hours, a lot of crashes on this bike, and it's set up specifically for hard enduro. Let's go get it. All right, so just took my bike out. Now we're on the brand new 2026 Sherco 300 SE. I'll take it for a spin and see what it does. Whew, I like that a lot. Oh, that thing's fun. Cool, so just went and did same sections of trail on my bike and the brand new 2026. And man, this bike feels really good. First things I notice is the chassis, the fit of everything is really nice. I made some modifications to my cockpit, the controls and everything to kind of lengthen that bike out so I fit in it a little bit better. But this one right out of the gate, it does have some Phoenix handlebars on it, which I love, but the stock chassis feels really good. It feels a little bit more spacious, a little bit bigger than the previous Sherco. The bike still feels really nimble and flickable, but you are kind of in the bike as opposed to hunched over on top of it, which is awesome. The motor feels good too. I don't know if it's because it's brand new or if they changed anything, but the motor feels super snappy and revvy. I do have a few things on my bike to make it perform a little better at higher altitude, but again, right off the showroom floor, this bike is snappy and fast. But the other thing that is really cool is that it's got that map switch, so I kind of toggled in between, and on some of the faster, flowy stuff, you can put it into the more mellow map, and it just becomes really easy and doesn't want to jump out of your hands, which is awesome. With the SC3, it felt great all the way through the rev range. Super powerful. The suspension was awesome too. And again, this thing, stock setup, wants to do everything really well. So we got into some fast flowy stuff, some roots, a little bit of hard enduro, some rock obstacles and splats and drops and stuff. And this thing just wants to do it all really, really nicely. You know, I love my bike to death, but kind of can't wait to upgrade to one of these. Thanks for watching, and come on down to Motorsport Masters. We've got an entire line of all the Shercos. We've got this bike. This is a demo, so if you want to come on down, put your hands on one and see if you can take it for a ride, come check them out. These 2026 Shercos are sick.